1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so it has to pass through that point, which means our parallel line is going to be here. And we want to know what's the equation of that line. What is the equation of that line? So let's find it out. Actually, let me change the color of that just so that we know it's the other one. All right, we got y equals mx plus b. So what did we say on the very previous sheet? We said parallel lines have the same slope. Well, if it's parallel to this, and if this has a slope of negative 3 over 2, then so does this one. Okay, so we know the slope. Now we just need to figure out b. And in order to do that, we plug in. We plug in 4 and negative 6. Now negative 6 is y, 4 is x. So we get negative 6 equals negative 3 over 2 times 4 plus b. Negative 6 equals, put a denominator there, negative 3 times 4, negative 12. 2 times 1 is 2 plus b. Negative 6 equals negative 12 divided by 2 is negative 6 plus b. And then we're going to add 6 and add 6. And these check out. And we get b equals negative 6 plus 6, 0. So we know the slope. We knew it all along because it was parallel. Negative 3 over 2. And now we know b. B is 0. So we can write our equation. Y equals negative 3 over 2x plus 0. Or, and I always do this, y equals negative 3 over 2x. You don't have to write plus 0. So let's see if we graph this equation, let's see if we end up getting the line that we thought was parallel. Okay, so we start at 0. And from 0 we go down 3. 1, 2, 3 over 2. Perfect. 1, 2, 3 over 2. Perfect. Perfect. We got it. We got it. We did a good job. Okay, so it did not say we had to graph. It never said that. The only thing we had to get, was the equation. Okay, but I wanted to graph it so that you can see that it is parallel to the line I gave you. It definitely is parallel. We can see that. It worked out perfect. So I'm going to do one more example without any graphing. One more example without any graphing. Find an equation of the line parallel to y equals 5 over 3x minus 2 and passing through the point negative 3, 0. So we start with y equals mx plus b. We know m is our slope. Why are we going to use the slope 5 over 3? Why are we going to use that slope? Because parallel lines have the same slope. So we're going to use the same one. And now we're just going to take our point, x, comma, y, and plug it in. Y is 0, so I put in 0. X is negative 3, so I put in negative 3. And I solve. Let's put that over 1 so we can multiply. That's going to be negative 15 over 3 plus b. 3 goes into 15 5 times, but it's negative, plus b. I'm going to take this up here. And the opposite of negative 5 is positive 5. So we add it to both sides of the equal sign. B equals 5. Now, here's what I noticed today in school, and today's Monday when I'm making this video. I noticed that a lot of people stopped right there. It did not say to find b. It did not say to find the y-intercept. That's not what it said. It said find an equation, so we need to write out the equation. Y equals 5/3 x plus 5. This is our answer. That's the equation that we're looking for. Thank you for paying attention. I appreciate it. And I look forward to seeing you on Wednesday when you know this material. Any questions? Any questions, you can email me. No, that's not it. Sorry. You can email me at acecharterhighalex@gmail.com. See you Wednesday.